Hi, welcome to the Eastern Township School Board series of videos. In this module, we're going to look at how to download and upload using Google Drive, part of the Introduction to Technologies for Learning course. So let me go into Google Drive here, and I've already got a tab opened with my Google Apps in here. Now I'm just going to go to Google Drive and see what my drive has in store. Now let's say I want to go to my school folder. I'm just going to open this up and go to my school folder in which I have a text right now. So if I want to download this text, very simply I can just right click on it and select download. So download will let me download this to my downloads, of course. If I want to upload the file, there's two ways I can do that. I can right click anywhere where there's no files and I can upload a file, or alternatively I can go to the plus sign here, which will allow me to upload a file or a folder as well. So if I want to upload a file, I just need to point it in the right direction on my computer. Let me just grab, let's see if I have a document in here. So I'm going to pick just this and open it up, and now it's letting me know how long it will take. You can see a little progress bar here of the document, and in a few seconds it will appear in here. So that's one of the ways to do it. You can right click anywhere to upload a file or a folder. You can right click on a file or a folder to download it. Now the other thing you can do is, let me just double click test to open it up in Google Sheets. So what I'm going to do here is, by default, when you make a change, you don't have to save it. I'm just going to rewrite, and this is a test file. So I've made a change to it. If I close it down, let's say I go back to my, I close it down, I go back to my drive, and I reopen this document, I don't have to save it. It remembers what I did, but it's on the cloud. So the whole of the Google Apps operates in the cloud. That means that you don't have a version of it on your computer, but the good news is that whatever computer you use, wherever you are on this planet, you'll always have access to your files. However, should you want a copy of it on your desktop, all you have to do is go File, Download. Now here, when you download it, it doesn't have a native format. What it uses as a default is the Microsoft Word format, which is a universal format. You can also save it as an open document format, a rich text format, or a plain text file, or a PDF document. You can even make it a website or an EPUB if you have a book reader, such as a Kindle. So all of these different formats are available. So let's say I want to save it as a document, a Microsoft Word document. So I'm just going to do that, and now it's in my downloads. So if I go in my downloads, I have a copy of it. Be aware though that if you make a change of that file either on your computer or you make it on the cloud, the two files will not be exactly the same. So that's pretty much it. That's how you operate this. Remember, you just go to your Google Drive. You can double click a file to open it up and download it. You can also right click a file to download it. You can right click anywhere to upload files and folders. So there you go.